Hey Simply Bakers, it's Lainey, and today I'm sharing with you a 3-ingredient cookie. Let's begin! So for this recipe, you're going to need a food processor or a blender. You're going to first add the oats. I used rolled oats. Then you're going to add the shredded coconut. So go ahead and mix it up, and when you're finished, it should resemble breadcrumbs. And guys, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe so you can get all of my latest recipes. So once it resembles breadcrumbs like so, you're going to add the bananas. I added 2 bananas, and these are super ripe bananas because this is what sweetens the cookies. So I went ahead and covered it again and mixed it up. And because my food processor was a little bit small, I actually had to take a spoon and make sure the bananas were being pushed to the bottom. So you know when this is done, when everything is mixed in, and it almost resembles a paste or oatmeal. And what you're going to do is take a tablespoon and you're going to just spoon it out and place it on a parchment lined baking mat or baking sheet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bake it for 20 minutes. I know it's a long time, but that's how long it needs to be baked. Now, if you want it more of a crispy cookie, you will have to bake it about 5 to 10 minutes longer. So I want to give a shout out to these Simply Bakers. Thank you so much for giving me the inspiration to make a 3-ingredient cookie, and I made it a challenge not to add chocolate. But I think if you add chocolate, it will still taste so good. I actually ate this for breakfast because it was easy to grab from my refrigerator, which is where I placed it. And these were so delicious. They were very soft and chewy. Now, like I said, if you want a crunchier texture, leave this in the oven for a bit longer, and this is how it looked like. So since you guys gave me the inspiration, let me know in the comments what kind of cookie you want to see next. You want to see more 3-ingredient cookies? You want to see a peanut butter recipe or another vegan cookie? Let me know in the comments. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload, which will be on Friday. Bye guys!